Page 23, Mexican hat dance. On page 22, they give you some information about learning Mexican hat dance. You can read all about that and do that stuff if you want. I don't sing in my videos. If you want to sing because the words are there, you go right ahead and sing. That's fine. I'm just going to play it. Now, they are introducing another symbol for you to learn and memorize and know from now on forever and ever and ever. And that is called a quarter rest. It's shown in the first measure in the lower staff. It's that squiggly thing. It kind of looks like a bird diving down, or depending on which way you're going. It really helps to have an imagination if you're going to learn music, because every note in music has a corresponding rest. So a half note has a half rest, whole note has a whole rest, blah, blah. You already had the whole rest. And probably half rest, I don't know, but you've had whole rest before. It's the box. In the upper staff, you see the little box, that's a whole rest. It's the same as a whole note, except you're quiet. And in 4/4 time, it gets 4 counts, because it's the same as 4 quarter rests, quarter notes. Well, a quarter rest gets 1 count, just the same as a quarter note, except you're just quiet. We have rests in music because they are extremely important, most of the time. There's always exceptions. For our purposes, they are important. We want to play the rest. And by that, I mean we want to be quiet during the rest. So let's look this over. It's 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef. 4/4 time signature. It's got a repeat sign at the end. I see the left hand is playing the first line and the right hand is playing the second line. Okay. We got quarter notes and half notes and whole notes and quarter rests this time. So the first thing I want to do is I want to play the note and say the name of it, because I got to drill in the names of these notes. That needs to be automatic. You don't have time to figure them out. And don't be writing in the name of the note on these, please. You just memorize it. They put the name of the note in the middle of it. I find that distracting. So I hope they stop doing that before long, because you need to memorize these notes. So let's say it and play it. In the left hand, your thumb on G here. Now put your hand in this position. We're still in C position. And it's G, E, rest, G, E, rest, D, E, F, D, E, C, rest. And I will go over that until I'm comfortable with it, where I know the names of the notes I'm seeing in the music. Then in the second line, it's the right hand. They want the little finger on the G. It's here. That puts a hand here. And I say the name of the note and play it. G, E, rest, G, E, rest, D, E, F, D, C. Once I've done that, then I go back and I put in the rhythm. So the first line is left hand, so it's here. We're in C position now in both hands. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's a rest on beat 4. I'm quiet, except I'm talking. But that doesn't count. I'm not playing. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I kind of wish they would not put in all the finger numbers. You only need the finger number on the first note of each line to tell you where the hand goes, because it's too easy just to read the finger numbers. I would prefer, if you would, if I were your teacher, I would take a pencil and I'd scribble out all those finger numbers throughout this whole thing except the first note of each line. So you don't read finger numbers. You gotta read the notes, please. You go through and learn it. Nice steady beat. No hesitations anywhere. Get rid of the hesitation. Hesitating while you're playing is a really bad habit. It's a really nasty habit. It's terrible. It really is bad. So please get rid of the hesitations. Go over those spots where you're hesitating so the beat is a steady beat. Then when you're ready, come back and play it with me. Let's play it together and make sure you're playing the same note I'm playing at the same time. So, and it's repeated, so we're going to play it twice. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off.